Welcome to part 2. So now we're going to let one of the roots be lambda, and then we express the other in terms of lambda. So we'll let this be lambda, so let a half and root 3 over 2i be lambda. Now if we square it, so we get a half and root 3 over 2i squared. What do we get? We have a quarter added to root 3 over 4i and another root 3 over 4i added to 3/4 I squared. And this evaluates to a negative a half add root 3 over 2i. Now we need to be able to express one of the roots that we designate as lambda in terms of lambda. Now we started with this, which we call lambda, and we end up with negative a half add root 3 over 2i, but the other root is a half minus root 3 over 2i. So if we have that lambda square, we know that lambda square is negative a half add root 3 over 2i. So if we look at what minus lambda square is, that would be minus what we have here, minus a half add root 3 over 2i. This will give us a half minus root 3 over 2i. So there we found the relationship between one of the roots and express that in terms of lambda. So one of the roots is actually minus lambda squared, which is this root here. So this being lambda, a half add root 3 over 2i minus lambda squared is the other root. So this is the end of part 2. In part 3, I'll be proving that 1 add lambda squared is equal to lambda. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.